Off the table, bitch. Off. Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm trying to start eating a little bit healthier. Like when I say eating healthier, like the bar's pretty low because I eat really badly. So I'm not gonna be like having any kale or like gross shit. I'll be having like yum stuff that's like just not that bad for you, you know? So don't come for me if I have something that's like, oh babe, don't worry about it, just leave it. So I'm having avocado toast this morning, and our freaking coffee machine's not really working for me at the moment. I don't know why. It keeps just like putting water out. So I've been having instant coffee, which is kind of a rip, but hey, what can you do? Okay, this breakfast's not the healthiest, but I feel like it's better than usual, and it's got a vegetable on it, so we're off to a good start. Okay, it's been a little while. I took some Instagram photos because I told you guys I wanted to take my Instagram a little bit more seriously and just be a fashionista. So I took photos in this outfit with these sexy glasses. Honestly, my hair was really frizzy though, so they didn't really turn out that well. But now I'm going to get changed because I've worn this top to death in the past 2 weeks. So I just don't feel like staring at it again. Okay, this is the new outfit. This top is actually from Valley Girl. I got it from my work. But we don't have it anymore. So, sorry. And then I'm just wearing these jeans, which I've worn to death. They're actually like too ripped now because I kept wearing them to work. And then this is just like, it's gone. It's just too freaking ripped. My whole leg comes out pretty much when I walk. So I probably should chuck them out, but like don't want to. Anywho, I just got a delivery. So let's do an unboxing. I've got a massive freaking box. I actually don't know where this is from. I don't know if it's Urban Outfitters or Anthropologie because I ordered from both. But like, it should be Urban Outfitters. Guess what? My effing camera's gonna run out of battery. It's flashing! Quick! I just need to know what it is. Oh, it's freaking Anthropologie. I was really hoping it would be Urban Outfitters. I literally ordered from there on the 21st of November. Well, this is some people's Christmas presents, so... Okay, so my camera's charged now. I did all of my work stuff I need to do today while we were waiting, so that was good. And I also got a few more packages. Today I think has been like an Edwards household record of packages delivered in a day. I honestly think some of these are presents, but like I don't... Oh yes, this one's a present for mum. Actually these two are for Maddie and mum as well. So that's boring. These are a present for dad, so dad, if you're watching, piss off. This is from Anthropologie. I'm gonna rip off all the nice wrapping that they've done. It's like a little 3 set of cheese knives. I can't really see properly, but they've got like this nice wooden base. So I liked it, and I feel like dad would too because he's a bougie king and he loves a good platter. So, and so does his girlfriend. She's bougie as well. So I thought this would be nice. And then from Anthropologie as well, this is what I was talking about the other day when I wrapped my presents, that I was getting this. And how gorgeous it's just to like wrap up the presents. It's a little string. I got this red and white one too. It's got this little dude on it. Cute. So now I can finish wrapping my presents. Okay, and then I got these 2 plates. I already had one of them, but I broke it. And I was already getting people stuff from Anthropologie anyway, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna get it again. And then I was like, alright, I'm gonna get 2 because when I move out I'm not just gonna want one random plate. So I got this, the bear one, which I already had, and then I got a little deer one. Oh, isn't she precious? And then from Redbubble, which is where I got like all my stickers from, that haven't come yet, but I got something for Emily from Redbubble and something for Matt from Redbubble, so I won't show you that, but I got a t-shirt for myself. It is a 7 Deadly Sins t-shirt. I have such a bad problem with getting t-shirts of things that I like. I'm a tacky queen. I love wasting my money on stuff that's tacky. and it's my worst quality, but it's also my favorite quality because like I've got a 7 Deadly Sins t-shirt now and I'm happy. I'm so happy about it because it's cute and I like it. Okay, and the last place that I ordered stuff from that came today is ASOS. I got this stuff on Black Friday. I think it was Black Friday. Oh, I got such cute shit. Okay, first thing I'm opening is this because I know what it is and I need it right now. Oh my god, I forgot that I got this. I got this Star Wars like Yoda face mask. And I feel like it was kind of expensive, but I was like, oh, this will be so funny. This is what I need right now. It's Peach and Mango Burst Carmex. My lips are dry as hell right now, so I really need this. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It's also freezing in the house right now, which is why I'm wearing this big Puff Daddy jumper. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, just wait till you guys see these. They're slippers. Aren't they so cute? Yes, I love them. Then I got this brown like shirt dress, which I'm just living for like oversized not t-shirt, just like shirt dresses at the moment. And I'm also living for this color at the moment. It's just like a chocolatey brown and it's just such a nice color. And it's dressy. You can dress it down, wear some tights with it and some boots. Good, I'm very excited about that. Then I got a t-shirt. I think this is one of my new favorite clothing brands called New Girl Order. I just have such cool and like random stuff. But of course I just got the oversized t-shirt because it was safe. I just thought it was, I don't know, I liked the aesthetic of it. It says Spoiled Rotten and I like the picture. She's holding a cat and it's nice and oversized. Love it. Then second lastly, I just got this corset. Oh, this looks a bit big. I don't know, does that look big to you guys? I just love corsets though. Oh well, we'll see. And then the last thing, which is the thing I was most excited for, is this bag. It was called like a Renaissance print bag, which obviously sold me. It's just this little side bag. Like this. So cute. I used to hate bags and I used to say I would never wear bags that you had to wear on your shoulder, but here we are. This isn't even like a wearable one either. Like there's only a certain amount of outfits I could wear with this. I don't have to wear like plain colors. Oh, but I just thought it was such a cute little statement and like personality piece, I feel. I'm very excited to whip that bad boy out. And that's my haul. That is my excessive Black Friday haul, I guess. It's kind of all of this stuff I got from like Cyber Monday and Black Friday. They just took a little extra long to come. So yeah, I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make a tandoori wrap like that we had for dinner last night for lunch, and I'm so excited. I've been thinking about it all day, but I just had to get all this gross work done and do this haul, and now I can freaking eat, and I'm gonna use my new plate. Yay. Yum, bitch. All right, I'm having apple juice. Actually, this is called Apple Splash. I don't know why, but looking at the color makes me think that legally they couldn't call it apple juice because maybe it's just got a splash of apple in it because it's literally like translucent. Anyway, Mum and I are starting the Queen's Gambit right now. Mum's having a salad version of what I'm having without the roti bread, and it's making me feel like maybe I should have done that. No, roti bread's good. We enjoy it, don't we, Scott? Okay, we just picked Annie up from school. She's sitting right there. Can you see her? Can you see her? She's right there. And I just, oh, the lighting is so shit house. I just got changed into some more comfy clothes. I'm wearing this new shirt I showed you, and these new trackies I got the other day, and my new slippers. And we're all just sitting here relaxing while my poor mum makes dinner. Oh, it's tacos. Doesn't it look great? Smell it, guys. Take a sniff. We're trying a different taco set tonight, and this, Charlotte, how about you stop doing that disgusting noise? Babe. Piggyback. Oh, a cat. No, don't. That is just so feral. You should be embarrassed. I'm having a piece of cake.
Running a bit late, so she's not going to be ready.
You only live once, and this is best before the 11th, and I'm just gonna eat it.
Give me some. Get me on.
Yeah. Everybody can have some. We're celebrating. It's my birthday.
No, it's not.
It's not my birthday, guys. Oh! I almost dropped it. Imagine that. I did. Why would you get it before me? That is rude. I got a plate out, and you just take it without me. I am spoiled rotten with cake and treats. I'm supposed to be eating healthy today, but I've actually had a few veggies.
Someone drop your account.
I had spinach. I had cucumber. I had avocado. So I deserve a piece of cake, and you can all get wrecked.
I've had a BLT for breakfast and a 6 nugget meal for lunch.
Let them eat cake.
I like that one.
I'm grated cheese it. Yum! Looks like a smiley face. Wait, what order do you guys do it in?
It doesn't matter.
Help.
It doesn't matter.
Help. Oh, it just looks so cute. I don't want to cover it. What's the verdict, honey? Yes. You are so...
I like it.
You like it? Will it replace the old tacos?
It will depend on what you guys all think.
Alright, we are doing a family excursion to Kmart and Chemist Warehouse. I'm in the car with Miss Madeline Edwards and Miss Annie Edwards. You can't see them, so that clip was pointless. But yeah, we're going to Kmart. I can't believe I'm leaving the house while Vlogmas. Here we are at the promised land. Emily, say something. Yo. You don't have to wear it out. Hey girls. Getting these M&Ms and this, what's it called? Like a wreath. Aretha Franklin. I am not having much luck besides these pens. These are the cutest things I've ever freaking seen. Excuse me, making mess.
Yeah, that too.
Rude.
The mess is already made. I'm just gonna keep it prettier.
Ew. Eureka. It's their job, kind of bitch. Ew. I'm thinking of this for my room, but I'm like, is that really ugly? I don't know. I don't have a good gauge on these kind of things, and then I waste my money, and then I get home and I'm like, ew, that's feral. Alright, I've found this for the cats. They're gonna love it on their head. They'll probably hate it and take it off in 1 second, but it's worth it for a pic. There's a rainbow. You can't really see it. It's been such a shitty weather day today, so I think we all deserve a rainbow, don't we, girls? Yes. Stopped in at Chemist Warehouse on the way home, and I got some nail polishes. Don't know why I'm doing this with my hands. I got this brown one, which is by the Ashley Graham collection, and I love this color. And then I got this one, and this like pinky, really nude color, and just a white, because I feel like these two would be good for French tips. And I just need basic nail polish colors because I went through my nail polish and had to chuck like basically all of them out because they were off. I didn't realize that nail polish went off in like a year, so that's good. And I just got some concealer because I ran out. Let's try this turkey hat on Raya. Yay! Oh, you're so pretty. Raya! Oh, she hates it. All right, off it gets. Did you hate it? Oh, she's pissed now. Yeah. All right, everybody. I just had a shower, and it's Monday night, so you all know what that means. You probably don't, but it means Indiana Jones and whiskey. I did it. Every Monday night, Channel 9 plays just really good movies. They did like a Daniel Craig, James Bond moment for a few weeks, which I frothed. It was like 4 Mondays of Daniel Craig, James Bond. And now they're doing Indiana Jones. And those are like some of my favorite franchises of movies. So it's just great every Monday night. Beautiful times. This is Scott's special spot. Anytime anyone's doing something in the kitchen, he just sits there and watches, and it's so cute. so precious. I put my square Scotch ice in the freezer yesterday. Oh, this is just impossible to get out.
Oh crap, got no paper towel.
Scooty.
This is cardboard.
Cheers, Scott. Cheers. Oh, he's so precious. We tried putting the turkey hat on Honey. It was only on for 1 second, so I couldn't get a video. Look
Annie and Charlotte share the party.
at how much she hates her life.
2 weeks.
Oh, bless him. Oh my god, cats are such brats.
They really are, aren't they?
Yeah, I just can't. They're the funniest pictures ever. What?
Slave for you. Why am I always wearing this dressing gown in your
I don't know. That is going to be it from me for today, guys. This vlog was basically just me eating food and showing you stuff that I bought. But honestly, that's pretty much all I do. So hopefully you enjoyed. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day freaking 9. Love you, bye.